Hello everyone, welcome to e-learning of IT for 12th standard. This video is for 12th standard commerce students. We are discussing different topics from chapter number 4, that is e-commerce and e-governance. In last lecture we have discussed different advantages and disadvantages of e-commerce. So today we will learn some of the types of e-commerce. So there are four different types of e-commerce. First one is B2C, that is business to consumer. Second one is business to business, that is B2B. Third one is consumer to consumer, that is C2C. And the fourth one is consumer to business, that is C2B. So in this way there are four different types of e-commerce. Let us go one by one. First one is business to consumer, that is B2C. In B2C model, businesses sells its products directly to a customer. A customer can view the product shown on the website. Customer can choose a product and order the same. The website will then send a notification to business organization via an email, and the organization will dispatch that product or goods to the customer. See, this is the traditional way that we follow to purchase anything online. Right? Suppose we want to purchase a watch online, then we refer some website, then we chooses our product, and then we place an order for that product. Then after placing order, that particular website will send notification to that business organization that this product is to be dispatched now, this product has ordered now. So in this way that organization will get notification related to this via like an email, and then that organization will dispatch your product to your place. That is nothing but a shipping will start for that product. So these B2C businesses are online retailers. That is nothing but a online retailers. Examples of such a B2C type is Amazon, Flipkart, that the different sites that we refer for purchasing anything online. See here example diagram. First, there are different steps while in a processing of a B2C type. So first one, there is a customer. Customer will search on any online store like Flipkart, Amazon, etc. And then that online store will provide or will display different products with the different offers and all. Then customer will choose the product that he want to purchase, and then he will place an order for that particular product. Then payment can be done via a credit card, debit card, or it can be a cash on delivery also. So that is a payment step will happen. Then after that, expedition means shipping of your product will get start. Order has been placed to organization, business organization, and that organization have dispatch your product, and then delivery of your product will be at your place. That is the customer will get the desired product. So in this way B2C, that is business to consumer type e-commerce works. So this is a example of B2C is a Amazon and Flipkart. There are different sites as well like Myntra, or many sites are there from which we can purchase the products. So that is a B2C type. B2C is nothing but a online retailers. Second type is a business to business. In B2B model, businesses sells its products to an intermediate buyer who then sells the product to a final customer. That is, here your products are not getting sold to the directly to the customer, but there is an intermediate buyer between these. So in this type, businesses sells the products to intermediate buyer who then again sells the product to a final customer. So for example, wholesalers place an order from a company's website, and after receiving the consignment sells the product to a final customer who comes to buy the product at one of its retail outlets. See, if you have started any new shop and you have placed a wholesale order for any particular business organization, then after getting that product you will again sell those products to your customers at the retail outlets. So in this way, this type In this particular type, that is in B2B e-commerce, the transaction will happen between one business to another business. There are some examples like network provider, which is a Tata Communications. So see here a diagram. Two businesses, two different organizations are there, and those organizations sells or exchanges the products between them. That is nothing but a B2B, that is business to business. Many business organizations also takes a as like a network provider. They also takes a services like space, storage space. So that is again an example of a B2B e-commerce. One business takes a products or services from another business, that is nothing but a business to business e-commerce. Next, third type is a consumer to consumer, that is a C2C e-commerce. In this model, customer helps the customer to sell their assets like residential property, cars, motorcycles, etc. So here consumer can sell the products to another consumer. So consumer can sell the products, their properties, cars, motorcycles, or any other thing online to the another customer, or rent a room by publishing their information on a website. That is, any kind of service can also be provided online. Website may or may not charge the consumer for its services. See, to sell the products, consumer will refer some website. Okay, some of the examples are OLX, Quicker, or online auction. So these are some examples to sell the products online that consumer may refer. So these particular companies may charge some amount for the consumer to sell the products, but sometimes they may not charge any cost also. So see here diagram, one customer and second customer. So two customers are exchanging the services or products in between them. So first customer want to sell the products, so he place their products on a particular website like OLX, Quicker, etc. Another customer is there which want to purchase the same product, will search the product from the same site and will may like your product that is placed by customer 1, so that he want to buy the product. Then customer 2 will place order for that product. That customer 1 will get a payment, that is receives the money for the product, and will send that product, will dispatch that product to the customer 2. So in this way customer 2 will receive the product. So here customer 1 sells their product to the customer 2. So this is a consumer to consumer e-commerce. Examples of consumer to consumer e-commerce are OLX, Quicker, etc. So these are examples of C2C e-commerce. Next one is a consumer to business. In this model, consumers have products or services of the value that can be consumed by businesses. That is, here customers have some of the services, some of the products that are maybe useful for a businesses, that is, that have a value for a businesses. For example, comparison of the interest rates of the personal loan, car loan provided by the various banks via websites. So here comparison of the different interest rates to purchasing a car or have a personal loan that is provided by different banks on a different websites. So this comparison will help another business to make a changes into their website. A business is organization who fulfills the consumer's requirement within the specified budget, approaches the customer and provides its services. So businesses who fulfills the customer requirement with a specified budget can approach the customer and can provide the services. Here customer may suggest different organizations that these are the requirements of the customer, this is the budget. So in this way that organization will come to know what are the customers requirement, and that particular requirements can be fulfilled by the certain organizations. So in this way consumers or customers can write a blog by an author for a businesses to improve the sale of products. So see here, if suppose you have started to write down a blog, and your site has become more popular, your blogs are getting more popular, and you advertise different products from certain organization in your blog, then that will help that organization to sell their products, to improve the sale of products. So this is an example of C2B, within which a content marketing is there. For a different types of products, see in the diagram, you can write down a different blogs, you can make advertise in attractive way for the different products, so that businesses can, or the different customers can purchase from that particular organization, and in this way their sale can be improved. So this is a e-commerce in which a consumers have some products or services which are helpful to the businesses. So that is a fourth type of e-commerce, consumer to businesses. So in this way today we have discussed four different types of e-commerce. First one was a business to consumer, that is B2C. Second one was business to business, that is B2B. Third one is consumer to consumer, that is C2C. And the last one is consumer to businesses, that is a C2B e-commerce. So note down all these different four types in a notebook. Thank you.